Hi, this is Keith from Zappify. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of how the corporate solution for our virtual business cards work today. Each employee will end up with an individual virtual business card. I've done a separate clip just explaining how that works, and this follows on to then how you administer it for a company and all of the staff. There is a secure online portal which one nominated administrator for the company gets a login to, and then that lets them administer for the company details and for employees. I'll just switch now to the live system. So I'm logged in here. You can see the menu options on the left-hand side. The initial setup involves setting up your company details. You would put in your logo, address details of the office, general information about the company. You can put in company URL and other web links or social media handles. You can lock this. If you don't lock it, the employees can have the ability to amend it, which we'll show you a couple of examples of that in a second where that's appropriate. Otherwise, you would probably not generally let them amend any of the corporate data. Once you've got the details in, you can then choose a corporate color specific to match your color scheme or logo color. Once you've got the company set up, then administering the employees is the second stage. There's a couple set up here already, but to add a new one is very straightforward. You just put in the basic contact details there. Actually, top four are mandatory, but once you've clicked on that, it emails the employee the details of their virtual business card, their unique URL, their individual passcode, and details of how to save it to their phone. So once they've done that, then you will see them on the list. You can see how the virtual business card it looks itself from here. That's mine, obviously. This is the desktop view we're looking at here on the screen, but looks very similar on the phone. The back of it has the company details that we looked at before, and on the URLs, the company URL is there, but there's a personal URL there that I've, as an employee, I've added from the tile on my phone, which is my personal LinkedIn profile. So that might be an appropriate use of where you let the employees add their own URL, for example. Another one is if you were a franchise business and each of the addresses was personal to the individual person, in which case you could unlock the address field and let them administer that themselves on their phone on their My Zappify tile. So just come out of that. If you have a large number of employees, then rather than add them individually by inputting the details, you can upload all the information from a spreadsheet. If you are a large business that has a number of offices, number of different brands or logos, and maybe needs a number of administrators of the system, then please get in touch. We have an enterprise solution, which is for much larger corporates. This is a simpler, I guess, one office, one brand, one administrator solution. This is only £99 per year for as many employees as you like. There's no limit to the number of employees, so it's very cost effective. Final thing of demonstration just to show you is that there is a usage stats page which lets you see who's been using the virtual business cards. So depending on the use in the business and the roles the people have, then that may be useful or powerful information. So that's the system. As I say, that's hopefully quite straightforward. Just flipping back here to that, you've seen the portal now. The tile that the individual employee has on their phone looks like this. There's some functionality to let them edit it if you have given them access to do that. But once it's set up, all they will predominantly do is want to share their virtual business card so that they can display the QR code. If they were in the room with the person, they can just show that QR code to somebody from their phone. They can share it digitally via their unique URL with a share my button here, or they can email them QR code to themselves if they want to paste the image of that into a presentation, for example. If anybody wants to get in touch with me, please scan this QR code now with your phone camera open, and you will get my virtual business card onto your phone, and you can save that or get in touch with me if you have any other queries or follow up. Otherwise, have a look on the website or follow us on social media if you need any information, and we'll be delighted to hear from you. Thanks for your time. Take care now.